Who has been elected as the new president of Israel? Option A is correct. Recently, Ibrahim Raisi has become the new president of which country? Option A is correct. Who has become the new president of the 7th sessions of the UNGA? Option D is correct. Recently, which country has successfully launched Tianjin 4B satellite? Option B is correct. Who has elected as the new Secretary General of UN? Option A is correct. Which country hosted BRICS Foreign Ministries meeting 2021? Option B is correct. Which country has topped Global Peace Index 2021? Option A is correct. Which has become the new president of Mali? Option A is correct. Which country has become the first mask-free country in the world? Option A is correct. Which country has become the first country in the world to grant Bitcoin as a legal tender? Option D is correct. Which has won the French Open Women's Single title 2021? Option A is correct. Which has become the first Muslim federal judge in US? Option A is correct. Which of the following country has launched in its first democratically made COVID vaccine? Option A is correct. Which country has topped the cumulative 2020 global nuclear spending? Option A is correct. Which country vertically hosted 44th sessions of the World Health Assembly (WHO)? Option D is correct. Recently, who has been elected as the PM of Armenia? Option A is correct. 31st edition of the NATO summit has organized in which country? Option C is correct. Asian Volleyball Cup 2021 will be held in which country? Option A is correct. हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और घंटे के बटन को दबाना ना भूलें हमारे आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंचे सके. Which has become the first Asian band mountaineer to climb the Mount Everest? Option A is correct. Which country largest Navy ship areas the Hajj has destroyed after a fire? Option A is correct. Which country G20 Education Minister meeting 2021 has been hosted which country? Option C is correct. Which has been appointed as a new chairperson of Microsoft? Option B is correct. Which city has topped the global livability ranking 2021? Option A is correct. Recently, which country has released Islam map? Option D is correct. Where will be 2021 means T20 World Cup will be played? Option A is correct. Henry Mary Ronda has become the new PM of which country? Option A is correct. Recently, who has won the Azerbaijan Grand Prix 2021? Option A is correct. What is the theme of 47th G7 Summit 2021? Option A is correct. Which nation has allowed the couples to have two children ending in two children policy? Option C is correct. Which country is the global host for World Environment Day 2021? Option D is correct. Recently, Naftali Bennett took oath the PM of which country? Option B is correct. Who has won French Open the men's single title 2031? Option A is correct. Who is the winner of the 2021 International Booker Prize? Option A is correct. Recently, which social media platform has suspended Donald Trump's account for the next 2 years? Option D is correct. Who has made the world record and become the first in human category of scale Mount Everest? Option A is correct. Who has become the first female Secretary of the Army, United States? Option C is correct. WHO presents Anti-Tobacco Award 2021 to which country? Option A is correct. How many teams will be participating in the 2027 and 2031 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup? Option B is correct. The African Union suspended the membership of which country after a military coup in the nation? Option B is correct. Who become the oldest American to climb the world's highest peak, Mount Everest? Option B is correct. Recently, which country has finally withdrawn from Open Skies Treaty? Option A is correct. We have observed World Milk Day on which day? Option C is correct. We have observed the World Environment Day on which day? Option B is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.